The U.S. expanding sanctions on Russia to stop countries like China from sustaining Russia's war machine. This comes as President Biden heads to Italy for the G7 summit, where he'll ramp up pressure on China's unfair trade practices. NTD's Iris Tao has more from Bari, Italy.
President Biden is now landed here in Italy, where he will talk with G7 leaders about ramping up pressure on China and Russia. And right before the summit here tomorrow, the U.S. Treasury Department announced a slew of new sanctions aimed at stopping countries like China from supplying Russia with equipment and materials used in the war against Ukraine. Here's the White House detailing those sanctions. Watch.
We have also been clear with the PRC that we reserve the right to take action against particular companies and entities that we believe are engaged in supporting Russia's war machine through the provision of inputs, whether it's industrial materials or microelectronics or UAV parts or whatever it may be. And we have put our money where our mouth is.
And Beijing has been ramping up its support for Moscow, including by selling it dual-use computer chips made using U.S. technology. Wednesday's actions widen existing sanctions to target those goods. In addition to China's support for Russia, G7 leaders here will also address China's unfair trade practices.
We will confront China's non-market policies that are leading to harmful global spillovers.
And on Ukraine, Biden is set to meet with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on Thursday and sign a new security agreement to pledge America's long-term support to the country.
Making clear our support will last long into the future and pledging continued cooperation, particularly in the defense and security space.
Another focus here among G7 leaders is to discuss sending Ukraine a massive loan using profits generated by frozen Russian assets. President Biden will also use this opportunity to amplify his view that America needs to stand with allies and bolster democracy, a theme key to his 2024 campaign. Reporting in Bari, Italy, Iris Tao, NTD News.